Are you using WhatsApp? Now in this video, what if I told you that you can now monetize your WhatsApp and earn from it? Yes, you heard me. You can now create what we call WhatsApp channel the same way you create a YouTube channel and monetize it and earn money from it. WhatsApp right now is not just about texting, doing video calls, voice calls, and updating status. WhatsApp now gives you an opportunity to increase your revenue streams. The same way Meta that owns Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram gives you an opportunity to earn from Instagram and Facebook and Threads, you can now earn from WhatsApp because through its recent updates, it now gives its platform users an opportunity to increase their revenue streams. So I'm going to show you how you do that and how you create your WhatsApp channel and how you monetize it to earn money from it. So sit back because you don't want to miss. And if you really love contents like this one, like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss more contents like this one. So let me take you straight into the demonstration and step-by-step tutorial how you can actually open your WhatsApp channel and earn from it. So let's jump straight into it. To create your WhatsApp channel, go to your WhatsApp app. And here it doesn't matter which type of WhatsApp you are using. You can use any type of WhatsApp as long as your WhatsApp app is updated. So go and tap on your WhatsApp app, then go to your updates here. I'm already on my updates, just below where you update your WhatsApp status. So you see here I have my channels that are suggested to me by WhatsApp, as you can see them right there. So what you're gonna do here to create your own WhatsApp channel, tap on these three dots right here at the top right corner there. Then you see create channel, tap on it. Then you can read all that, create channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel. Channels are public, so anyone can find them and see them. 30 days of history. And one privacy bonus about this WhatsApp channel is that your followers don't get to see your phone number, and you don't even see theirs either. It's clean, private, and super simple. You see, sometimes some of your subscribers in your YouTube channel might want to connect with you and you don't want them to connect directly through your mobile number. You can use your WhatsApp channel to connect with them because your number will still be kept private. They will not also be able to see your contacts. So that's how private this tool is. So just continue there, then create channel name. As for me, I do YouTube growth, so let me choose a channel name. I already copied in my clipboard, so I've used a long form name here like daily YouTube tips with Amenya sphere. So this is my channel name. Always use a long form name so that you can be discovered easily by your followers and your followers can know what you are doing. So let's write the description of our channel there. Smart daily YouTube growth tips, tricks, and tools to help small creators grow fast by Amenya sphere. Then tap on create channel. You see our channel is already created. So this is our channel. You see the name of my channel, Daily YouTube Tips by Amenya. So here is where we make our posts, right here. So after making your post, then you send. So these are some of the key features of your WhatsApp channel. So once you create it, you can post text, photos, and videos. You can as well share polls to engage your followers, and you can drop links to your content, products, or affiliate offers. And lastly, you can even pin important updates at the top. Now that you've created your WhatsApp channel, and if you are a creator, influencer, teacher, or entrepreneur, this might become your most powerful tool to be using. Your WhatsApp channel is a one-way broadcast space where you can post updates, tips, videos, and links, just like Telegram channel or YouTube community tab. But here is the catch about this feature. It's right inside WhatsApp, and people use WhatsApp every single day. And a lot of people might want to ask, then how do people join your WhatsApp channel? You see, people just don't join your WhatsApp channel, but they follow it. To grow, you share your WhatsApp channel link to your WhatsApp status, your other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, or any other place where your audience is. For example, on YouTube, whenever you are doing your videos, you might make a call to action and ask your viewers or subscribers to go check your WhatsApp channel through your video description link and follow you so that you can connect with them one-on-one. And the best part of it is that you can always connect with them while your number is still private, because a lot of people usually fear sharing their numbers on YouTube with their subscribers. So this is the best way that keeps your personal details private, so they can still follow you but not be able to see your WhatsApp number. Now this is the part that you've been all waiting for: how to earn money from your WhatsApp channel, or how to monetize your WhatsApp channel. You see, now that you have your followers, even though WhatsApp doesn't pay directly the way YouTube and other platforms pay through ads and views, YouTube channels has recently received several updates focused on enhancing discoverability, interaction, and management. When we talk about monetization and how you are going to earn from your WhatsApp channel, we talk about WhatsApp promoting channels and ads within the status section to help users discover new channels and businesses. So these ads that will be running will be paid ads, which means that you will be able to earn from the paid ads. Another way you are going to be earning from WhatsApp channel is by viewer count. WhatsApp is rolling out a viewer count for channel updates on web client, allowing both admin and potential followers to gauge the reach of each post. So which means here now viewer count is going to be very important and possibly earn from views. Other revenue streams for WhatsApp channel are coaching and consultations. You can offer one-on-one sessions or group coaching to your followers. Whether you are a YouTube strategist, designer, teacher, or digital marketer, you can share your rates and get paid via M-Pesa, PayPal, or any method you prefer. So the second way that you can earn from your WhatsApp channel is through affiliate marketing. You can be a partner program by joining programs like Amazon, Jumia, or Kill. And from there you can share your affiliate links in your post. So every time you post on your WhatsApp channel, you can share your links, and whenever people click on your link and buy a product, you earn a commission each and every time. So you see, basically WhatsApp makes it easy for people to reach, because people stay on WhatsApp daily compared to other platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. People are always on WhatsApp. So that's the best part of it, because it's easy for people to see your link and click it because they always stay on that platform. Another revenue stream from your WhatsApp channel can be through paid groups or membership access. You can create a premium WhatsApp group where only paying members get exclusive content, for example, live questions and answers, or even templates or mentorships. So you can use your channel to promote it and invite only serious followers. Lastly, you can also earn from your followers' support. Your audience can send you gifts not through WhatsApp directly, but through M-Pesa, PayPal, Buy Me a Coffee, or even by buying your digital products. When people trust your value, they support your mission. So sometimes whenever you post something on your WhatsApp channel, just ask people that, for example, if you like my daily tips, please support my channel through this number or by putting your PayPal link, and they will definitely support you if they are genuinely in love with your daily content that you give them through your WhatsApp channel. And again, in order to grow your WhatsApp channel so fast, these are the pro tips that you must not forget. Always post consistently, daily if possible. Use emojis and hooks to catch attention. You can also mix formats, for example, with text, images, and polls. Also, keep your content clear and valuable. And lastly, always reply to comments, questions when possible, so that you can always engage with your followers on your WhatsApp channel. Because a lot of times engaging with your subscribers on YouTube directly may not be possible because of some of the restrictions from YouTube, like sharing of links and numbers. So you can always leave your WhatsApp channel link in your video description or pinned comment, so that whenever your subscribers click on it, they can connect directly with you on your WhatsApp channel, and they can even gift you and also buy some of your products from your WhatsApp channel. So WhatsApp channels may look simple, but the opportunity is massive. Whether you are teaching, selling, coaching, or just building influence, this tool puts right inside your audience's most used app, because they stay on WhatsApp for a long time. Now, if you want more real tips that grow your YouTube channel, help you monetize your skills, and take your content to the next level, follow my WhatsApp channel, and the link is in the description below. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to Amenya Sphere if you really love content like this one. See you in my coming video.